Meaning of infatuated.
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 Infatuated. Infatuated means to be intensely or foolishly in love with someone or something, often without reason or judgment. This state of mind can lead individuals to become obsessed or consumed by their feelings, possibly leading to irrational decisions and behaviors. Infatuation is generally considered to be a temporary and superficial attraction that may not necessarily lead to a lasting and meaningful relationship. It is important to carefully evaluate one's emotions and consider the long-term potential before acting on infatuation. In summary, infatuation is an intense and often irrational feeling of love or attraction towards someone or something.